In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gold to MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing I have to tell you, which is the most important part of this video, is that it's going to depend on your broker whether you can add gold or not, because not every single broker is going to support the trading of gold on MT5. Now, first let me show you how to check it, and then we're going to go over how to fix it. So to check if you can actually add gold, first you want to enable Market Watch, go to View and then Market Watch, or press Ctrl M on your keyboard and it's going to pop it up. Then click anywhere inside your Market Watch over here and click Ctrl and U on your keyboard, and there we go, it's going to pop up these symbols over here. Now what you have to first check is if gold is in here. So you want to go to top and click on gold, and as you can see I have some golds over here, and this is the one I'm looking for. So it's XAU USD. Of course, there's the Euro and Australian dollar versions as well. So I'm going to use XAU USD, and of course you can click on show symbol, and it's going to basically show your symbol in here on the top left, okay? If you then click on OK over here, you'll then be able to find it. There we go, there it is. I can open the chart, etc. Okay? So in my case, gold was available, but in your case, it may not be available, and that's because your broker does not support it. So if you can't see it, if you can't find it, if you're signed in with like a different broker, then what you have to do is basically just sign in with a different broker. You can sign in using like a demo account on whatever broker you want. You could even use MetaQuote's demo over here, which is always available, and you can create a demo account inside MetaTrader 5 over here directly. So go to File, top left, Open Account, find your MetaQuotes, click on Next, and then select Open a Demo and go Next. Or you could open an account with any different broker which supports trading of XAU USD or gold. And then when you do that, just connect your broker and you'll be able to find it over here inside Control U, inside symbols, as I showed you, okay? So that's how to do it. Now, if you're wondering how to connect a specific broker, I do have a lot of videos on how to connect different brokers on my channel, so go watch those in case you get stuck. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.